In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your lesson plans. So you want to make sure you're in the lessons area of your course, and you'll click the gray circle next to the lesson you want to add items to and select edit. And that's going to dump you into the content information menu, and you want to select curriculum resources. So now we have this empty space where we're going to add items. So you'll select build content and then item. So an item can be a lot of things. It can contain text, audio, movies, files, images. Really, the sky's the limit. So I'm going to name this welcome. And then I'm going to add some text here. So you have text here. You also have this format editor, this text editor here, where you can make as many changes to the text as you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this first bit of text. So I can bold it, I can italicize it, I can underline and strike through. I can also change the font if I wish, and I can even change the size of the text. I also have the option to take text by highlighting it and turning it into a bulleted list. And I can also turn that bulleted list into a numbered list if this is going to be instructions that need to happen in sequential order. I can change the color of my text if I want, and then I can also highlight the text. So you see here how it's made that change. And if I don't like any of these changes to the text that I made and I want to start over, I can highlight everything and select this eraser tool to remove formatting and click that. You have some other basic functions like cut, copy, paste, find, undo, which undoes your previous action. You can also do things like align left, center, right, or justify. And for those of you who teach math, you can also create superscripts and subscripts by highlighting the text and clicking superscript and subscript here. You can also insert a link using this insert edit link icon. You'll click on that and you'll put the link path here. And then you want the target to be blank, and that means it's going to open it in a new page instead of taking your student away from the course. You'll hit insert, and as you can see, we now have a link there. You also have the option to remove that link if you wish by clicking this broken link icon that will remove the link there. You can also use the spell check function. Down here we have some more options for content, so you can browse YouTube videos that are owned by you. You can insert a file, you can insert an image, insert a media item, launch the math editor. You can also do things like block quote, so you can select some text and make it into a block quote. You can also choose symbols. There are emoticons, even though they're very limited here, so you can choose to add one of those if you want. You also have the option to insert a table, and it'll allow you to select the columns and the rows, and then you'll hit insert there, and then you can kind of play with that. So those are the options that are available to you in the text editor, and you can also toggle it from full mode to show less mode, which will only give you the text formatting options. You also have the option down here to attach files to an option. So I'm going to go ahead and browse my computer and find a file that I have ready that I want to attach. And then it'll say that it's going to create a link to this file, and you want to permit users to view content. You can even track the number of views if you wish and hit submit. And once you've done that, your file is, or your item is available there.